Hi guys, I'm welcome or welcome back to another one of my videos. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I did this Valentine's Day makeup look. Now the time this is being posted, it is definitely way after Valentine's Day, but we're going to ignore that. We're just going to sit back and enjoy this video. If you want to learn how to do a basic makeup look, I have a video in the cards and probably in the description below that you could go check out after this video. It's a basic makeup tutorial. That's also where I showed you how I did this method in doing my brows. I felt like my brows needed a little some extra, so I went in and I did a little splice. Before, my slice used to be very real, but that kind of thinned out my brows, so I fake it until you make it. I created a little heart template or sticker, and I just stick that on with eyelash glue. It was looking a bit uneven, so my mom just helped me make sure it was straight and in line. And two, I was struggling because my nails was making it difficult, so she just decided to help me. Then I went in and added my eyeshadow primer over that stencil, hoping that it does not go underneath. And then I will go in and do a basic eyeshadow look. Now that that's done, I will go in and do my face. I personally find that when I do this part of my face that I don't really see it, and it looks like I did not make up my face, but trust, I did it. Because it was kind of Valentine's theme, I wanted to go a little bit heavy on my blush, but I don't really like blush as much, so I did lessen it a little bit. Now it's rhinestone time. I remove the stencil and just place the rhinestones on that outline. added a few more rhinestones off camera, and this was the finished look. Also added a nose piercing with my rhinestones. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy this. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.